Hello, traders. So here we are in this trade. And a very big stop loss, as you can see, because the market is really fluctuating. But it is honoring so far the fib retracement. Not yet on the fib extension. Fib extension, the first target is right there, right here, the green. We can see it took a wild ride coming from here, went up, came back down. So you really had to have a good, no, they might do the same thing here. It's just all over the place right now. Again, it's a Friday. Look at that. Look at what those moves are. So looking at the four strategies here, it's basically coming from a bounce off the VWAP and then hit the, well, this one basically hit the 1.5 deviation. So it came back, tried to test we bounced off the 0.5 deviation. Well, right here would have been an entry right here, right off the VWAP. Probably gonna go test this. Oh man, it's not even quite getting there. Let's see if we can get up there. Eventually gonna get up there. Time is it? 10:02. I don't know if they're gonna dump this. Are they gonna dump this down here and try to get down here or what? Look at this. This is just. It hit. I missed my. Of course, by a few ticks. In fact, maybe one tick. Sometimes you wonder if they see your target. That's how I wonder sometimes when you miss it by that much. Oh, don't tell me he's gonna go down now. I should have just saved it up. Here, this is what we call the liquidity sweep. I should just get this out of here. Here we go. Let's see if he's gonna test the 50 right here. Hopefully it does. I didn't quite get up there, but to them, that's hit the target right there. Oh man, the choice to be greedy again. Let's see what happens here. This is most likely there's your reversal right there. What's going to happen here? Most likely it's going to try to test the VWAP again. See what happens here. Here's the extreme pullback right here. Let's see what's going to happen right here. It's the extreme pullback right here. Let's see what happens there. So this might be going all the way down to the other side here. So here's the minus, here's the +1 deviation. Let's see if it gets to the VWAP. Yeah, look at that. That's a strong momentum. Looks like it's going to try to, let's see what happens at the VWAP. If it does come down here, I'm going to put my stop right here. Because most likely that's going to start coming down. There it is. This is where you sell the boat. Because it's now going to have a lot of momentum coming down. There it is. Got 200 back.
Target filled.
But test this down here. We have one contract left out, so let's see.
Target filled.
I'm going to move this down further down here and see if it's going to get down there. So right here we have the extreme. Let me get this out. There we go. Let's see what this pullback. Oh, look at that. Straight down. Just went right through that. Man, where's this going? It's going. That's already the -1. Ah, it's going down to midnight level. Okay, got it. Pull back right there. Oops, let me get that.
Order.
Ah, like how.
Stop filled.
Oh man, that just really kills me when it isn't giving me a chance.
Order filled. Order filled.
Where are we going down here? 594. Oh man. Yep, it's bouncing off the +1. It's going to go up again. I thought I was going to try to test a midnight open here. Just seeing if they have enough. Let me see. Okay, it's bouncing off the midnight open. Ah, let's see if we can get it back down. We need that reversal candle. Oh man, it was close to getting that reversal candle. Instead, it's going to be going up. Oh man, you know what? I should have just left it at I'm getting I'm putting my profit targets way too far, I think. Looking at different levels, it should have been at that midnight level right there. See if they're gonna test that again. Let's see, they test it again. Come on, one more down. We got 500. There we go. I'll just close it from here. That's Those of you could have take that target. That was at 1.5 deviation. Let's see if they can test that again. So we get a reversal here. There. There we go. So I wanted to see.
Target filled.
Gee, I told you they're going to keep on testing this minus one deviation. They'll probably end up going down here. They bounce off the 1.5, went back up, bounce it off again, 1 point up. Now they went bounce it off here. I went through it. I'll come up here now and then come back down. But I got my 500. I'll got for more, but look, see. So right now I'm up 268 after took myself a hole, so just waiting for the good entry here. So we have 1016 already. There's your IB. It's not yet set in stone. We have another 16 minutes. No, 14 minutes. No, 17. Wait, what is that? 14. Another 14 minutes. So see, look how they're bouncing off that minus one deviation. So we'll just wait for our entry here. Our entry here is usually we're fading, well, not really, yeah, fading into, here's the minus one, right? So it's gonna probably get up to there. Let's see. Let me see a pullback here. Ooh. you gotta be just ranging this. So you're playing the range right now between the -1 and the -1.5 deviation. Okay, look at that, all green up. Let's see if they do that. They follow through. They took it away. We got 9 minutes before. Let's see if they're bringing this down. They bring this down, I want to see a pullback. So basically continue our price discovery if this is the case. Sometimes you don't know. There's the pullback. Let's see if we can get something here.
Order filled. Order filled. Order filled.
Seven minutes. Oh, I hate this when they play this game. Hopefully they continue coming down. We need that reversal. We need that reversal. There it is. Yeah. Not the reversal back up. Look at that fight there, right there. 1.5 deviation. That's where they have the fight.
Target filled.
How many pullbacks do we have? There's one, there's two. Here's another pullback. Will it come through though? Hit my target? 6 more minutes.
Target filled.
Okay, 642. That's good for your PA. You're done with your PA. There, finally goes down. That's what. Oh man, should have added more contracts. There it is, going down. Look at that. That opened the floodgates. Right off the minus 2.5 deviation. As long as this 21 EMA is below the 55, you just keep on, your buys are still going down until it crosses. Like here, we have a lot of, right here, we have consolidation or on the range, right? Because look at that 21 EMA didn't know where to go until it finally broke down. Where is this going? I could have just got in there again. This is to the extreme already. This is where it's kind of dangerous to get in because you don't know when it's going to pull back a lot. So we got 4 minutes before the IB is formed. It's going to pull back before that 10:30 because that's where you have the IB low right now. That was one. Okay. Yep. So now we're below the midnight open. Man, this is going right through the thing. So right here you have what we call continued price discovery. See this? That's the -1. That's one of the core strategies. You got to take in that for a scalp, taking that again down, taking that down, taking this down, taking that down. Again, those are price discoveries. Finally went all the way down. So you want to see that same thing. So it's probably get here up to here. Then probably come back down, test the 1.5. And from there, come back. That's what they do. So I like that 1.5 deviation. On your, most of my students, they don't have that 1.5. So I can't program, I couldn't really get in there to program it, I think. I'm going to have to look at that and see if I can do that to get at least the 0.5 deviations on here. Like this one, this one. There we broke. Mostly going to touch that 1.5. I wanted to get in here, but I don't know. see what happens here at 1.5. Let's see if we get pullback. Then I'll probably get in. There's the pullback. Okay, now we got our IB set. We'll now test the pullback, test it down here again. That's what I'm saying. Let's see what happens here at the -2. Nope. Looks like it's going to go up. Or it might come back down.
Order filled.
Just do 4 first. Let's see what they do with the 1.5 there. Stop me out here, that's fine. Just now I know where they're
Shop
going.
filled.
There it is.
Order filled.
Let's test that 1.5 again. Let me do the reversal. There we go.
Target filled.
Gee, where are they going from here?
Target filled.
Oh, it couldn't get filled. Close to 1,000 right now. See how they tested that 1.5, bounced off the 1.5. See what they're going to do here at this 1.5. So now we're in what we call balanced, right? So we want to see a pull. Well, I don't see. We're going to see a pullback here. See what happens here. A pullback. We go 1.5. See how they do the levels? That's what you can see.
Order filled. Target filled.
Look at that. It's trying to move it up. And test the VWAP. So let's see what's going to, they might bring this back down. Yeah, see, hitting the VWAP there. Again, then it didn't hit my target. Maybe what was that? Short by one tick again, as usual. Oh, let's see if they're gonna try to give it another one. If not, I'll just put this right here.
Target filled.
There it is, over 1,000. I think I was down as much as 700. You can see that 21 EMA is above the 50 EMA. This looks like it's going to try to push further up and try to test. Let me see here. Let's see if I'm going to come back here and probably get another. Or now this is what you call the VWAP bounce, right? Let's see, it's a VWAP bounce. No, it might not be. Mm. see this is the VWAP bounce or not. Okay, let's see what it does here at 0.5. See, I'll pull that. Okay, so they see that? Look at that, it's just
Order.
going straight down.
Order filled. Target filled.
It just picked off one.
Target filled.
Ooh.
Order filled.
See what it does. Pull back.
Target
Oh, I
filled.
hit my target. 1.6. I was moving so fast that I couldn't even move my target. It's okay. We have a pullback here.
Order filled.
Again, 1.5 deviation. Let's see if we have a reversal here coming down. Let's go down to risk 4 contracts. Okay,
Stop filled.
that's where I stop at 1,500. See, bounced off again, 1.5, just like right here. One bounced off there, bounced off here. A little just, overrun, but other than that, they tested this. Again, this looks like it's going to continue with, let's see, it's going to continue with a price discovery again. So basically, we bounced off the VWAP, right? That's why it caused that big down trend. Now, what happened here? We got to the 1.5. Are we going to go up now? Because what it looks like here, it pulled back there. Where's that pullback? Right here. So that's where I'll take it from. Right here. So it's pulling back to the fib extension. The once you get past here, then it looks like it's going to go up. So that's what you want to see. If it's going to get past these two lines right here, these two. Looks like we're going above.
Order filled. Order filled.
Oh, it's done.
Stop
I couldn't even find where my stop. Oh, so it is coming down. Let's see. I couldn't even move my stop. So there's the pullback. It's now this is the pullback to go up. Now it goes further than this. It's definitely gonna be going down. Because basically hit the kind of overran the Fibonacci pullback. But let's see. Yeah, there's the. I don't know. This might be a tricky one right here.
Order. Order. Order filled.
You better not come down. Oh man, this would be really tricky. Oh man, you guys suck.
Order filled. Order filled.
Oh man, these guys are.
Order filled.
See how they like doing that? This one I'm gonna stay away for a minute because they know they're just going up and down here. They didn't even get up to this 0.5. They got to the POC. When you see the 21 and the 55 bunched up like that, I don't trade. You'd rather have the breakout than the pullback and then continue going down. Like here. See when it does that? You see that? We don't take the failure first impulse. We just take the pullback and just continue.
Order filled. Order filled. Order filled. Order filled.
Yeah, I just didn't like how that bounced off the 1.5.
Order filled.
Just did not like that. Man, they're just really just now ranging this. So here we go. We're going up finally. But I want to see a pullback. Let me get these lines out. There's the pullback. See how tricky that was? I don't know. The trend is down.
Order filled.
They're gonna get that to. They're gonna get to that. Whatever this right here. I'll just leave it there.
Order filled.
Oh, don't tell me they're gonna go back up. This is gonna blow my account. Yep. See, that's what happens when you try to FOMO, and they're doing this thing. This really prevents you from being FOMO out. So, like I said, I got up to one, I believe 1.5, right? And this is on a Bill Knox, so basically it's 91% off. I'll be trying another account later. And this is basically what they're doing. Just going between the POC and the the value area low. That's what they're doing right here. Look how they're just going up and down like that. And I thought this was a breakout, but you can see I was waiting for a pullback. It never did. It's basically playing off this POC and the value area high. That's where they're ranging it right now. This is when they start really just ranging it right now, all the way till noon. That's why if you can get that trade between just one or two trades between 10 to, I'd say 10 to 11, or even 10 to 10:30 even. Once they start 10 to 11. So once they establish the IB, right now we're just ranging. We're just in between the IB high and the IB low. You want to see them break out the IB if they do. If they do. Uh, So I think that's it. I'll cut it out. I maybe wait for the afternoon session. They're arranging it right now. It's a Friday, so my market is kind of weird. But it's a downtrend. So basically, that's what they're doing. Is you see this? If you're looking in the far out, you'll see far out galaxy. But no. But if that's the case, you see here. Yeah, they're just playing around. Just playing around right now. Yeah, I'm looking at my trading view chart. It looks like it's just stuck. Right at that -1 deviation. I was thinking they're going to do a price discovery here, but I don't know. They're just basing it on the 1.5 here. They might test the bottom here, that IB low. I want to see what they're doing. Let me see how for that. Yeah. They might be testing that. That'd be a good trade coming down if they can break that. Probably need 2 contracts. Right. So I have 3 PAs with Buell Knox. I have another PA with Apex. I'm just waiting to get pay. I'll pay that for next week. Yeah, this will probably. I think that's what they'll probably do. See if I get another if I get another evaluation here, which I don't think. Let me find out. No, I gotta buy one. Okay, so I'm about to end this. Market is already dead. It's a Friday. Like I said, it may start going down here for a slow. Yeah, see, that's what it's doing. I try to test this IB low. Right there, you could have gotten in right here. We can just get my cursor over there. Yeah, you could have gotten right here, right there when it broke. So here we go. We'll look a pull back here. We're at the 1.5 again. You can see how it bounces off that 1.5. Man, this will continue coming down, I think. Like I said, it's going to probably test that. Oh, I already have one. Let me see here. Hold on. 115. Do I have it there? No. There it is. Okay, I'll just be more conservative with this, even though it's going to take me several days to pass. That's fine. So there's the pullback. See how they're bouncing off that 1.5? Now they bring it down again, testing this as price discovery. Let's see. Very tricky. So it'll be the price discovery again. Let's see.
Order
Oh,
submitted.
this time they go up. Oops, wrong one. Oh, let's go ahead and take it. There we go.
Order filled.
So you can probably just scalp these. Let's see if they get it past this 0.1. The POC is right there.
Order filled.
There we go.
Target filled.
So now this time they're going finally for the VWAP. So you're going from -1 to the VWAP here.
Order filled. Order filled.
That's it. That's the only one I'm going to be doing. No more.
Stop filled.
Unbelievable. That 1.5 deviation is really strong. Yeah, see, they're just playing games with these things. Got up to the 1.5. That was it. And try again. With that pullback, you see that?
Order
Let's see if they
filled.
follow this pullback down to where it's supposed to go.
Order filled.
That's it. I'm done with that. See, look at that. Bouncing off the... This is unbelievable. Bouncing
Order
off there,
filled.
but I don't know if they're going to follow through. You see how they do that? Just playing games, you guys.
Order filled. Order filled.
Yeah, this is the last trade. I got to save this PA. Yeah.
Stop filled.
Where am I at? Yeah, 585. That ain't bad. So that's it. I'm done with this. This is the noon hour where they're just going up and down with this. Like I said, they're playing this range between minus 1.5 and the 0.5 deviation. That's the range they're playing. See you guys, and hopefully you guys have a great weekend. Hopefully you guys are all green. I'm just waiting to pay for my PAs. That'll probably be next week. I'll be trading those PAs. I got 3 or 4 with three to Beal Knox, and 1 with Apex. I want to collect these PAs so I can trade them all together. Enjoy your weekend. Stay safe, and always God bless. Bye-bye.